Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if your clipboard translation is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone like I am, just go ahead and open up the App Store on your phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application, install it. If you're using the desktop version, you can download it for your desktop from google.com, and once you open it up, it's going to be a similar interface to this one, from where you can get started translating. On the home page of the application, you have your settings where you can manage how the application works and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do if DeepL's clipboard translation, the feature that automatically pops up when you press Ctrl+C, isn't working. So it is usually due to a shortcut conflict such as app permission or background process issues. So what we want to do is open up your settings on your desktop version, go to the DeepL app settings and look for the capture text from any app key binding. This is going to enable you to set up your key binding. If you're on your mobile phone, what you want to do is long press on the text section right here. As you can see, you're going to have the autofill option, and if you have copied something else from a different application, you're going to see a paste option. If you're not seeing paste, you make sure you have copied everything correctly from the previous application. Once you've done that, just long press right here, click paste, and now it's going to be doable. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.